Welcome to our Excel tutorial. Today we will unlock the power of the if function, a key tool to automate your analysis and streamline your workflow. Let's dive in and see how this function can simplify your Excel task. If you have not subscribed at my channel, please subscribe. If you are watching on Facebook, please follow my page. The if function lets you compare a value against a condition in Excel. Think of it as asking Excel a question and giving it instruction for true or false answer. The syntax is simple. If logical test, value if the condition is true, and value if condition is false. Let's start with a simple example. So here also we will use the same sheet what we have used during our last video in OR function and in AND function. Imagine you have a list of the student score and you want to determine who passed and who failed. We will use the same if function to assign pass and fail based on whether the score is above or equal to 60. Here is the formula, is equal to if, then logical test. So we'll select here B11. It should be greater than or equal to 60, comma, if condition is true, then it should print pass or else failed. As this condition is true, we'll get the pass answer. Just drag down and here it is. What next? In the next video, we will see how we can use nested if function in Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has helped you to get some insight on if function in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like and follow my page for more Excel tips and tricks.